Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple face essence. A face essence plays the role of a serum and also plays the role of a toner. It's a very beautiful product that when you try, you would not even go back. If you're new on this channel, please help me hit the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Without wasting much time, let's get started in this video.
When it comes to taking care of the beauty that you show, Primeside, your trusted cosmetic partner.
Welcome back. For this face essence formula, I'm going to start by preparing my polymer face, which is my thickening face. Firstly, I weighed out hyaluronic acid. Here I'm using high molecular weight of hyaluronic acid because I want the primary function to be hydration. Next, I'm going in with my Primeside. I am using this to build the viscosity of an essence and also to make my essence have bubbles, some kind of bubbles that I kind of like. To dissolve properly hyaluronic acid and the Primeside without having to form clumps or lumps in my water phase, I'm going to first dissolve with vegetable glycerin. Aside vegetable glycerin being a solvent to dissolve these two powders, it's also going to act as a humectant for this face essence. I'm going to be displaying all the ingredients and the quantity I used on the screen, so please take note. And also, all the ingredients used here in this video are available in our store. You can see our website link in the description box. So after dissolving these two powders in the vegetable glycerin, I'm going to be adding 1 part of water. For products like this, I usually would prefer to substitute water for hydrosol, and here I'm going to be using a combination of some of my favorite hydrosol. The first is going to be rose hydrosol. So I'll add rose hydrosol into this product and allow it to hydrate. I skipped that off the camera, but here is after I've added about 40 grams of my rose water, and now the formula has started to thicken and give me a viscosity that I want. This is not the final viscosity, of course, because we're going to add more hydrosol. So I'm going to give this more time to actually hydrate and form a smooth texture. Ordinarily, hyaluronic acid will be fast to dissolve, but Primeside would always take some time to actually dissolve fully. So I'm going to set this aside and weigh out my remaining ingredients. For this, I'm going to be using 2 more hydrosols. First, I have my rosemary hydrosol, and the next I have my turmeric hydrosol. Rose hydrosol, which was first used, is packed with antioxidants. Rosemary hydrosol is packed with antibacterials, and turmeric hydrosol is packed with brightening properties. So this particular essence is going to do all 3 for me. Next, I'm going in with allantoin powder. Allantoin is an anti-irritant that will actually help to prevent inflammation on the skin. After adding allantoin powder, make sure to stir properly to ensure that the allantoin is fully dissolved. If allantoin doesn't dissolve in your formula, you may feel some brittleness or some graininess on the product after you have made it. So make sure you mix until allantoin is fully dissolved. If it doesn't dissolve in cold water, you could warm up the water a little until it's completely dissolved. For this, I stirred it in, and because the water was much, it actually dissolved with time. After dissolving my allantoin fully, the next thing is to weigh in my aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel will also support as an humectant to actually help to hydrate the skin. Aloe vera gel also have healing properties, and it definitely can help to soothe the skin, help redness, and even some sort of inflammation. Next, I'm going to add this other phase that I have left to hydrate, containing hyaluronic acid, Primeside, vegetable glycerin, and rose water. Now, after mixing here, there are some particles that are yet to be dissolved, and that's a function of the Primeside. Notwithstanding, if you give it some time with continuous stirring, it's going to completely dissolve. But because I have an overhead stirrer, I think it will be better to switch this into an overhead stirrer so that it could hasten the particles from dissolving. So I'm going to use an overhead stirrer here to mix my essence, and as you can see, the polymers in it totally dissolved, forming the viscosity of an essence. Now, an essence lies in between a toner and a serum, so it is not as thick as a serum and is also not as light as a toner. It is primarily made to actually balance the skin's pH, soothe the skin, and also leave a long-lasting hydration more than normal toners. I'm going to check the pH of this essence, and right here I'm having a pH of 7, which is not really cool for me. I want the pH to be a bit lower, so I'm going to take in some drops of 50% citric acid solution, add some drops into my face essence, give a stir, and check the pH again. I'd want a pH of around 4 or 4.5. 5.5 is also very okay because you would want your face essence to be able to balance the skin's pH. Checking the pH again and matching the strip against my pH paper, I have a pH of around 4, and that is perfect for me. If you're making your own face essence, a pH of 4 to 5.5 is very okay. So if you have a pH of 5.5, it is fine. When I checked the pH of this essence with my pH meter, I got a pH of 4.5, which was okay. I've just added my preservative, and here I used usual PE 9010 at a percentage of 1. I'm going to give a final stir, and my face essence is ready. Now you could see the consistency and the texture of this product, and you definitely imagine how this would sit on your face. Now to apply this, you could actually use a cotton pad, or you could apply it directly on your palm then to your face, because the viscosity is not too light to run off your palms. It is really moisturizing and hydrating. After using this face essence, I doubt if I would even go back to using a face toner. Yeah, I can still use my face serums, but the face toner, I think this is way better. Now if you want to make this a brightening one as a formulator, you should know that you just add your brightening ingredient, and voila, you have a brightening essence. And also if you want an exfoliating one, you just add your exfoliant. If you are very passionate about skincare, I believe you would want to learn more about it, and not just learning it, but learning it the right way. Our diploma course on skincare is on. It's available online and offline. You could see the description box for more details if you're interested. So back to this essence, it can be used by all skin type, all skin complexion, all skin texture. It can also be used every day, AM and PM. It is super hydrating, it is calm and soothing, and if you have a very sensitive skin, please do not forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for stopping by on my channel to watch this video today. I would like to see you next time on this channel, but for now, take care and have a lovely day. Bye.